Hi, so we are starting the Old Town exploration of Zug. This is St. Michael's Cathedral. Well, this is the cemetery of St. Michael's Cathedral, and we'll have to walk down this awesome narrow street and hope that no cars come while we're doing it. Is this Europe or what? Feels like it's Italy. The Italian side of Switzerland, the Ticino area, it of course is Italian, and the towns are basically all like this. It's these small roads. I don't know where the kids are playing. I hope not to get them. Okay, good. But straight ahead, if you spin around, I'll do it for you. That is St. Michael Cathedral. I can't go in, but all right, we are definitely in, well, beginning of the Old Town. So make sure you have your 360-degree tools available. You can see behind me here one of the original turrets and some of the original wall, which connected through here. You can see right here over to this, and some of the rooftops, just the way the building designs are. Come down to some more wall here. Spin around. You know, the human history here, it's just incredible. Now what I remember, and I'll read more as we go, is that the Zug Old Town, like many of them, had a lot of different borders, a lot of different times. So this looks like a castle. I guess I'll have to find out. It's the Brugge Museum. Oh, wow. Look at this in here. All right, I want to keep going. I'm trying to get these kids in the picture. Don't like getting other people in the film. So if you're worried about that, know that when I duck the camera down, it's because I'm trying to avoid people. The main clock tower straight ahead of me, behind the focus right now. $1630. Yeah, we're coming down to the main cathedral here. Sorry, not the main cathedral, the main town. There's a lot of people here. I'm having a hard time filming. 1507 for this building over here. Oh, look at this fountain. Oh, that's awesome. 1664. Like, I'll spin you around for this. And remember, these are all good drinking water. All right, we're in downtown Zug. I'm going to spin around slowly because I'm in front of the main clock tower. This is the downtown area. You can see the fountain. We got the clock tower here. Just spin around. It's pretty amazing here. We'll go down one of these alleys here. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go through the clock tower, see what's over here. All right, so look at this old step. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so the clock tower was part of the wall, original wall. You have to spin around and see the post that I'm looking at. So we're in the original Old Town now. Oh, great. The lake view. Another street here, maybe. Oh, look at that street. Pretty nice stuff. And then down to the lake. All right, that was a little stressful for me because of all the people, but I hope you guys got a good view. Speaking of good views, mountains are straight down there. I mean, they're all over the place, but that's what we've been looking all day. That's cool. QR tag on the boat.